Hi everyone, myself Mr. Rama Babri. Welcome to my channel Guru Sheetal, class 7th Civics. The chapter is State Government. State Government. India is a federal country. Federalism. What does federalism means? A system of a government in which the power is divided between central government and the state government. नेशनल लेवल पे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट काम करती है और स्टेट लेवल पर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट काम करती है. तो ये फेडरलिज्म है हिंदुस्तान में. इंडियन पार्लियामेंट कॉम्प्राइजेज ऑफ टू हाउसेस, राज्यसभा एंड लोकसभा, अपर हाउस और द लोअर हाउस. एकदम इसी की तरह जैसे पार्लियामेंट में है ना लोकसभा राज्यसभा, वैसे ही स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर में विधानसभा विधान परिषद होते हैं. ठीक है, विधानसभा एंड विधान परिषद. विधानसभा जिसे लोअर हाउस कहते हैं, लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली कहते हैं, और विधान परिषद जो है इसे अपर हाउस कहते हैं और लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल कहते हैं. ठीक है, अलग अलग नाम से लिखी चीज़ है कि विधानसभा, विधान परिषद, लोअर हाउस, अपर हाउस, लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली और लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल. Right? Now how does the state government it works? देखो हर स्टेट में दोनों हाउसेस नहीं होते हैं. The legislature have both the houses, legislative assembly and legislative council are known as bicameral. ठीक है, जहाँ पे दोनों हाउसेस हैं वहाँ पर हम क्या करें, bicameral. लेकिन जहाँ पे सिर्फ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली काम करती है उसे यूनिकैमरल बोलते हैं. आप स्क्रीन पे देखिए बाइकैमरल जो स्टेट्स है कौन कौन से, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, तेलंगाना, आंध्र प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र एंड कर्नाटका, और इसके अलावा और जितने स्टेट है वो यूनिकैमरल हैं. लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल और विधान परिषद, इसे हम अपर हाउस के नाम पे भी जानते हैं. According to Constitution of India, the strength of the Legislative Council cannot be over 1/3 strength of the Legislative Assembly and not less than the number 40. However, it is never final composition. The number of the member in this unit is only finalized when the Parliament approves. The member of Legislative Council (MLCs) are elected by the Parliament, and the rest 1/6 of the members are nominated. They are nominated. Fine. Many times the renowned person from the various field are nominated to the council. The council chooses or elected the chairman and the deputy chairman from amongst its member. The member of the councils are elected for the term of 6 years only. Okay, now comes the legislative assembly. Vidhan Sabha or state legislative assembly is a lower house of the state. It is composed of the representatives who are elected by the people from the assembly constituencies within the state. स्टेट में ही के लेवल पर इलेक्शन होता है, और जो इलेक्शन होता है लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली का, तो वहाँ से लोग जो चुन कर आते हैं उन्हीं को ही हम MLAs बोलते हैं, मेंबर ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. These constituencies have been set up in a manner to ensure the proportional representative of the population in the assembly. Those states who have a large population will have a proportionally larger assembly. जो स्टेट बहुत एरिया वाइज बड़े हों, पॉपुलेशन वाइज बहुत बड़े होते हैं, ठीक है, तो उनके नंबर ऑफ सीट्स ज़्यादा होते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आप स्क्रीन पे देखिएगा कि जो लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेटेड स्टेट हमारे हिंदुस्तान में है वो उत्तर प्रदेश है, जहाँ पे 403 कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसीज हैं. ठीक है, the state Uttar Pradesh has 403 members in the legislative assembly, while the other low populated state like Sikkim has only 32 members. Only 32 members. Okay. The constitution of a country has divided the legislative assembly into upper and the lower limits. Okay. Upper and lower limit. Both the seats are limited and cannot be over 500 or less than 60. Now on the screen you can see the powerful personalities. Okay. The governor is the head of the state, just like the president is the head of the country. He or she is appointed, means the governor is appointed by the president and held the office for the term of the 5 years. However, the president can remove the governor at any time. Fine. और जो गवर्नर है इनकी क्या पावर है, ये क्या काम करते हैं, इसके बारे में देखिएगा कि द पावर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट इज़ लाइक ए प्रेसिडेंट बट एट द स्टेट लेवल. Okay. The governor appoints a minister such as the chief minister, chairperson, advocate general, and the member of the state public service commission. जब सेशन शुरू होता है ना लेजिस्लेचर में, ठीक है, स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर opens with the governor's address. Governor has a power to send a message or summon the session of the state legislature. बिल भी पास करते हैं कौन? Governor. Bill passed by the state legislature have to be accepted and signed by the governor. The governor has got a power, okay? The governor also has a power to reduce or suspend the sentence passed by the court under the state law. If the state legislature is not in session, then governor can issue orders called ordinance. This ordinance will be valid until 6 weeks after the next session of the state legislature. But the state legislature has a power to approve it or not. Fine. Now comes the chief minister. After the state election, the elected MLAs of the party with the majority, okay, elects their leader who becomes the chief minister. The chief minister chooses the minister for the various department. After all this process, the government select the chief minister and other ministers. The chief minister and the other ministers have separate offices to carry out their work. The chief minister serves as a connection between the council of the minister and the governor. The chief minister divides and controls the work of a different department. Chief minister has got a major work to do. Advise the governor, control and manage the cabinet meeting, distribute the portfolio among the council of the ministry, appointed the deputy chief minister, speakers, fix the meeting time of the legislature on the advice of the chief minister. Now comes the advocate general. Advocate general क्या है? कौन है ये? Very important personalities. You can see on the screen. The Advocate General is an official of a state who gives advice to the executive on the legal matter and perform the other legal functions allowed by the governor. Fine. Thank you so much for listening. Keep on reading the book, the NCERT book. Fine. Keep yourself healthy and fit.